Welcome, everyone. Are you captivated by these beautifully designed yoga mats featuring stunning patterns and custom logos? Today, we're going to show you exactly how these vibrant yoga mats are customized. We'll explore 5 common printing technologies: laser engraving, screen printing, UV printing, dye sublimation, and embossing. Let's dive into the world of custom printing technology. First up, laser engraving. We start by creating our design using graphic software, crafting a logo, text, or any artwork. This digital design is then loaded into the laser engraving machine software, which controls the laser's intensity, speed, and path. With the yoga mat placed under the laser, the beam follows the digital design precisely, vaporizing the material with high heat to leave a clear and detailed engraving. Laser engraving provides high precision and durability, making it ideal for intricate designs. Next, let's discuss screen printing. After finalizing the design, a custom-cut stencil or screen matching the design is created. The stencil is placed on the mat, and ink is applied uniformly using a squeegee, pressing the ink through the mesh screen onto the mat. The mat is left to dry thoroughly, ensuring a long-lasting design that resists fading or peeling. While screen printing offers simpler color changes, it remains a popular choice for its vibrant and consistent results. Now, onto UV printing. Once the design is sent to the computer, the UV printer springs into action. Using ultraviolet light, it cures the ink instantly as it's applied. This immediate drying process means your printed item is ready to go right away with vibrant colors and incredible detail. Then there's dye sublimation printing. This method starts with printing the design onto a blank cloth. Under heated conditions, the inks transfer to the yoga mat's fibers, creating a durable design. The printed transfer paper is placed on the mat, and as the dye turns into gas, it permeates and solidifies into the mat, ensuring the design won't fade or wear off. Lastly, we have embossing technology, commonly used for brand logos. This involves heating a metal stamp to a set temperature and pressing it onto the mat. Embossing is sturdy and perfect for showcasing unique brand logos on yoga mats. The material molds around the stamp, creating a clear, permanent imprint. Embossing is sturdy and perfect for showcasing unique brand logos on yoga mats.